My friends, I get asked all the time about my skincare routine, but you know what? What's most important is really keeping a healthy skin barrier. And so I wanted to share what I'm currently using. It's from Mira, and this is their new launch. This is the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. I love this serum because it has strengthening omegas and it also has peptides. And so peptides are really good for your skin to strengthen and repair. I've been using peptides for a few years now, and it's really been a game changer in my skincare, in my overall health. It really helps to repair the cells. So if you really think about it, your cells regenerate. And so having healthy cells will help you have healthy skin, healthy organs, and everything else. But look how glowy and hydrated that is. It's so nice. It's lightweight, but super dewy. Now I'm going to lock it in with the Cellular Hydration Moisturizer. And I love the packaging and I love how it comes out that way. Blend it and just massage it into my skin. Lock it in, especially this winter season. Our skin gets more dehydrated. Probably drinking less water because we're cold. But definitely want your skin to be locked in with hydration so that you don't feel itchy, cracked, dry. Wow, this is so nice. Look at my skin. It's literally glowing, no joke, and it's super hydrated.